Welcome to our channel that name is Guruji. We will discuss chapter number 9 of class 10th. Chapter name Some application of trigonometry, and you know well other name is height and distance. This chapter is based on the trigonometry, so we will discuss, and first of all we know about the terminology of this chapter. You can see on this board. ऑब्जर्वर व्यूअर, ऑब्जर्वर व्यूअर मीन्स हम यहाँ पे समझ सकते हैं एक दर्शक जो देखने वाला है। व्यूअर का मतलब होता है देखने वाला। वो कौन कौन हो सकते हैं उसको हम देखते हैं यहाँ पर, एंड वो हो सकते हैं आपके स्टूडेंट, राइट, स्टूडेंट और टीचर, योर पेरेंट्स, योर फ्रेंड एंड मीन्स नाउन। ओके, एंड द सेकेंड टॉपिक इज ऑब्जेक्ट। ऑब्जेक्ट क्या हो सकता है इन क्वेश्चनों में? इन क्वेश्चनों में जब देखेंगे ये वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम है, उन क्वेश्चन के बीच में हमको क्या क्या चीज़ें मिलेंगी उनके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। तो हमको ऑब्जेक्ट का क्या क्या मिल सकता है? पहला मिल सकता है सपोज ट्री, टेम्पल, टावर, टावर एंड बिल्डिंग। ओके, सो ये आपके ऑब्जेक्ट होंगे। द लाइन ऑफ साइट, what is the meaning of line of sight? See this figure, this picture. Line of sight, suppose you have a right triangle and right triangle that give the name ABC. Okay, and here is viewer. Viewer means देखने वाला। Okay, so means में दर्शक। मान लो मैं टीचर नीलेश, यहाँ पर नीलेश is watching. What is watching here? Suppose here it is kite. Okay, तो मैं जो देख रहा हूँ व्यूअर, यहाँ से देख रहा हूँ, किसको देख रहा हूँ? मैं पतंग को उड़ते हुए। तो ये जो पाथ कहलाएगा, मैं कहाँ से कहाँ तक देख रहा हूँ? यहाँ से मैं देख रहा हूँ, और मेरा डायरेक्शन क्या है? इस डायरेक्शन में मैं इसको देखना शुरू किया मैंने। तो आई एम सीइंग द वन ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट इज काइट, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द लाइन ऑफ साइट, द लाइन ऑफ साइट। Okay friends, you can understand about this one, the line of sight, viewer to object, that is called the line of sight. Next option, horizontal and vertical. Horizontal line, this line is called horizontal and this line is vertical line. Okay, understand? This is very simple thing. And the next thing is ratio. So ratio, what is the meaning of ratio? I am telling about the ratio, trigonometric ratio. There are only three trigonometric ratio: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay, according to this one, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, where triangle, one right angle triangle, and here it is the one thing is perpendicular, this one is base and this one is hypotenuse. Let perpendicular is given and you have to find out the base. So what makes the relation? Relation perpendicular upon base tan theta. Okay, but perpendicular is given, so P upon B, that means tan theta. Okay, and perpendicular is given, but you have to find out the hypotenuse, so that means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that means sin theta. Okay, now you have a base is given, so base is given, base, what is the base? 12 centimeter. You have to find out the hypotenuse, so make the relation B upon H, means cos theta, according to your the given condition, and you will apply. There are three ratios: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. The angle of elevation, and first of all read this definition: the angle formed by the line of sight. Line of sight, you well know, A to C to A. C is the viewer and A is the object. C to A, this is called the line of sight. The angle formed, angle is theta. The angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line is BC. Horizontal line is BC. When the object is above, object, this one, A is the object and horizontal line is BC. Above means ऊपर की तरफ है, राइट? तो when the object is above the horizontal level is called the angle of elevation. आसान शब्दों में यदि हम समझें इसको तो मीन्स यदि जब भी मैं अपने किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को ऊपर की तरफ देखूंगा तो वो बनेगा एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल रीड द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन टॉप ऑफ ए टावर from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Here question is given, the distance, angle is given also, and we will find out the height of the tower. First of all, we will draw the picture. Here, this is the tower and this is the base of the tower and hypotenuse is here. Okay, give the name A, B and C. Okay, and what is the given in this question? The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. And here it is the viewer 2, viewer the bottom to tower, the is a distance 30 meter away. Okay, this one, and we have to find out the height of the tower. So let the height of the tower is h meter. Okay, angle also given is 30 degree. So acute angle is given 30 degree. Okay friends, हमारे पास जो बेस है वो कितना है 30 मीटर है और हमको जो फाइंड आउट करना है वो क्या करना है, हमको हाइट ऑफ द टावर, एंगल इज गिवन 30 डिग्री. सो वी मेक अ रिलेशन क्या बनता है, एंड दिस साइड इज कॉल्ड perpendicular also. Perpendicular, this one is base. Perpendicular upon base, it means tan theta. Okay, and theta value is 30 degree. Tan 30. So tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. So I think you can understand what is the meaning. Okay, so see, first of all, solution is here. Let the height of tower be h meter. Okay, let, and base BC how 30 meter, right? And the last thing, angle of elevation. Angle, what is the name of angle of elevation? ACB. Angle ACB, how much? 30 degree. Okay, this is the given portion, and we will assume let the height of the tower be h meter. We will work on the right angle triangle. That name is ABC. So you have to write in right triangle ABC. Okay, and the relation here, perpendicular upon base, you know well, tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, right? So you can apply tan theta, and theta means angle is given ACB. So ACB, tan ACB, perpendicular, that means AB. You have to write AB, and base is equal to, that means BC. Okay, you have to put the value. Angle ACB, angle ACB is 30 degree. Write it 30 degree. And value of AB is h meter. So you can write only h. And the base, how much base is 30? Okay. Here it is clear. Now you can see this one. Value of tan 30. By using the trigonometric table, tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. Okay, so see this one, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 and h upon 30 here. Now you can write tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay friends, now so 30 cross multiply 30 upon root 3 equal to h, or you can write h equal to 30 upon root 3, right? So you can break this portion. H means h equal to 30. You can break it 3 root 3 into root 3 into 10 upon root 3. Root 3 1 root 3 is cancel. Understand? Root 3 3 or 3 into 10, that is means 30. Write it. So remaining thing is 10 root 3 meter. So your answer, hence the height of a tower is how much? 10 root 3 meter. So this is the solution of that question. I think you can understand. Next question. Next question. Question is here. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of tower. इस क्वेश्चन को हम सीधे तरीके से समझें तो हमको सीधा समझ में ये आ रहा है कि एक बिल्डिंग है, बिल्डिंग की हाइट कितनी है यहाँ पर 20 मीटर। उस बिल्डिंग के टॉप पर क्या लगा हुआ है? एक टावर लगा हुआ है, उसकी हमको हाइट फाइंड करना है। हमको दो एंगल दिए हैं, एक 45 डिग्री का दिया है और दूसरा एंगल कितने का दिया है? 60 डिग्री का दिया है। एंगल को कैसे रखते हैं वो हम पिक्चर में देखते हैं, डायग्राम में। तो पहले हम एक डायग्राम बनाते हैं, इस डायग्राम को देख लें और समझ लें। देखिए फ्रेंड्स, डायग्राम ये देखा आपने, तो ये यहाँ तक क्या है? ये बिल्डिंग का टॉप है, ये बिल्डिंग का क्या है? बॉटम। तो ये हमको इसकी हाइट गिवन है। हाइट कितनी है? 20 मीटर हाइट। ओके, और वी हैव टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टावर। ओके, हाइट ऑफ द टावर। हाइट ऑफ द टावर, जस्ट एज्यूम और लेट h मीटर हाइट ऑफ द टावर। ओके, गिव द नेम a, B and C, and this point also called D. Base of the building, how? Just let by x meter. Okay, and we have to put the angle. अब हमको एंगल बताना है, कौन सा एंगल होगा। तो यहाँ पर दो एंगल हैं। बिल्डिंग के टॉप से जो एंगल बन रहा है वो एंगल ये है, और दूसरा बन रहा है एंगल आपका कौन से? बिल्डिंग यानी टावर के टॉप से जो एंगल प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है वो एंगल। अब कौन सा होगा एंगल? 45 डिग्री का और 60 डिग्री का। सी क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर फर्स्ट में कि बॉटम एंड टॉप। तो बॉटम एंड टॉप, किसके बॉटम एंड टॉप? द ग्राउंड। फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट द ग्राउंड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द बॉटम एंड टॉप ए टावर। तो टावर के बॉटम, टावर का बॉटम कौन सा है? डी पॉइंट, और टावर का टॉप क्या है? ए। तो पहले क्या लिखा है? बॉटम। तो बॉटम पर, बॉटम यानी टावर के बॉटम से जो एंगल प्रोड्यूस हुआ है वो कितने का है? फर्स्ट एंगल क्या है? 45। सो जस्ट यू हैव टू पुट डाउन 45 डिग्री। एंड टॉप से जो एंगल प्रोड्यूस हुआ है वो कितने का है? ये एंगल यहाँ से यहाँ तक का है, राइट? तो ये कितना है? 60 डिग्री। आई थिंक यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द फिगर एंड रिक्वायरमेंट्स h meter. Okay, so there are only two triangles. You have to work two triangle. First triangle name is ABC and the second triangle name BC and D. There are two triangles you have to work. Okay, first of all we will write given solution. Let the height of tower be h meter. Okay, let the height of the tower be h meter and height of building. Height of building means BD, right? So BD, how much? 20 meter. Okay, and the base of building, base of building, base of building, let क्या किया? base of building BC, how much? x meter let. Okay, now there are two triangles. Angle of elevation, angle of elevation. First angle name, we will talk about the 45 degree. 45 degree, so name is DCB. DCB, how much? 45 degree. And the another one, top from ACB, complete angle 60. ACB, how much? 60 degree. First of all, we will work on this triangle BCD, right triangle BCD. First of all, we will work on right angle triangle BCD. Write it. In right triangle BCD. Okay. So ratio, which will be ratio? Ratio is here. This one is perpendicular and this one is base. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base always tan theta, right? So here it is given perpendicular and we have to find the value of base, and angle is 45 degree. Look at this one, tan angle. Angle name is DCB equal to perpendicular BD. BD upon BC. Okay friends. Tan DCB, value of DCB how much? DCB value is 45 degree, and value of BD is 20 meter. So you have to write 20 meter and find out the base. Base is given how much? X meter. So upon X. Okay. Why the help of the trigonometric table? Tan 45 degree value is always 1. So you have to put 1. 1 equal to 20 upon X, cross multiply X equal to 20 meter. So that means you can write also tan 45 degree equal to 1. So value of X 20 meter. So base of the building how much? 20 meter. So now you have to work the another one. Second part is here. In right triangle name ABC. ABC, also the same ratio 10. How? This one is complete. What will we call? Here perpendicular and this one is base. Perpendicular upon base always tan theta, and theta value is 60 degree. So now you can write tan 60. So 60 means ACB. You have to write ACB equal to AB. Perpendicular is AB. Okay. Upon BC. Just you can write it. Tan ACB, again same thing. There is no change. AB. What is the meaning of AB? AD plus BD. AD plus BD upon BC. Now put the value tan ACB. See the value. Tan ACB value how much? 60 degree. So you have to write 60 degree, and value of AD. AD we will assume here H meter. So you can write H plus BD. So value of BD how much? Value of BD is 20. Okay. Upon BC. Value of BC X. Okay. Here. So H. Tan 60. Value of tan 60 how much? Root 3 equal to H plus 20 as it is, and upon X. Value of X how much? 20 meter. 20 meter. Okay. You can write from equation first. 20 root 3 is equal to H plus 20. Now 20 root 3 minus 20. 20 move which side? Left hand side. So plus convert minus equal to H. Right. So you have to multiply. Value of root 3 1.732 minus 20 equal to H. Okay here. So what the value? 0 as it is. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 7 2 ja 14, and 2 1 ja 2, 1 3. Decimal come after 3 digit 1 2 3. So that value is 34.640 minus 20 equal to H. After subtracting you will get 14.64 equal to H, or H equal to 14.64 meter. hence the height of tower is 14.64 meter. This is your complete solution. Okay friends, this exercise is completed, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section, and if you learn something, so like this video and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching this video.